Okay, today we're going to look at how to multiply fractions. So first, we have a problem with just two regular old fractions. You're going to start by multiplying your numerators. Remember, that's the top numbers. So 3 times 1 is going to give us 3. Then we multiply our denominators. That's the bottom numbers. So 9 times 3 gives us 27. Now, something to remember, and this is not just with multiplying fractions, this is with anything in sixth grade. If you can simplify your answer, it does need to be in simplest form. So in this case, we can simplify because 3 and 27 are both divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is going to give us 1, and then 3 goes into 27 9 times. So our answer here is 1/9. Okay, so on the next problem, we do have a fraction, but we also have a whole number. Remember that 7 is the same thing as 7 over 1. So if you have any whole numbers in your problem, you're going to want to write it with a denominator of 1. But then you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to start with multiplying your numerators. So 7 times 8 is 56. And then your denominators. 1 times 9 is 9. On this one, we can't simplify, but we have another issue. You never want to leave your answer as an improper fraction. So 56 is bigger than 9. That makes that improper. So remember that we can use TIVO, top in, bottom out, to turn this into a mixed number. 9 is too big to go into 5, but it does go into 56 6 times, because 9 times 6 is 54. We subtract and we have 2 left over. So remember that you can draw this arrow around to remind you that your answer starts with the 6 and then goes down to the 2 and ends with the 9. So 6 and 2/9 is our answer for that one. Okay, and then on this last problem, we do have a whole number. So remember, you do want to put a denominator of 1 there. But we also have a mixed number. You can't multiply with a mixed number, so you have to turn that into an improper fraction first using math. So 10 times 2 gives us 20, and 20 plus 4 gives us 24, and then our denominator stays the same. And then once you have it as an improper fraction, you can do your multiplication. So 24 times 2 is 48, and 10 times 1 is 10. On this one, we have two issues. You can simplify, and it's also improper. You can fix either issue first. I like to simplify first to make my numbers easier to work with. So because those are both even numbers, we can divide by 2. Half of 48 is 24, and half of 10 is 5. We can't keep going because the only thing we can divide 5 by is 5, and that doesn't go into 24 evenly. But again, we do still have the issue of it being improper, so we need to do top in, bottom out. 5 doesn't go into 2, but it goes into 24 4 times. 5 times 4 is 20. We subtract and get 4. So that's going to give us an answer of 4 and 4/5. It's now simplified and it's not improper. I hope that helped. Feel free to watch it again if you need to see it again.